Imagine this. You're walking home. Suddenly your vision blurs, your head spins, no pharmacy in sight, no pills in your pocket, and your blood pressure? Skyrocketing. What do? Today we're going to show you a 30-second trick that can lower your blood pressure instantly. No drugs, no gadgets, just you and your breath. Sounds too simple to be real? Stick around. We'll break it all down with science, real-life stories, and one simple technique that could save your life. Or someone else's. High blood pressure is like a ninja. It sneaks up without symptoms, strikes when you're vulnerable, and sometimes it's too late. The scary part? One sudden spike in blood pressure could lead to dizziness, fainting, or worse, a stroke. And most people only realize this when they're already in the ER. So what if I told you that your own lungs could be the emergency tool you never knew you had? Here's what happened in a real study. Two groups of people were tested. Group A did nothing. Group B did a breathing exercise. Inhale deeply, hold, exhale slowly, for 30 seconds total. The results? Blood pressure dropped in Group B significantly compared to Group A. So what exactly did they do? The method: sit down, stay still. Inhale deeply for 5 seconds. Hold for 1 second. Exhale slowly for 5 seconds. Repeat this for 6 cycles. That's your 30-second reset. This isn't magic, it's biology. Deep breathing activates your parasympathetic nervous system, your body's built-in calm-down switch. Let's talk about Michael, a 67-year-old retiree from New York. One evening after dinner, he suddenly felt lightheaded. His wife, Sophia, remembered a breathing technique she saw online. No pills, no ambulance, just breath. They tried it. Within a minute, his symptoms eased. His blood pressure had dropped 18 points. This became their ritual. Michael now does this every morning and evening. Since then, no ER visits, no panic attacks, just peace of mind. Many people brush off breathing exercises as woo-woo, but science says otherwise. A study published in the Journal of Hypertension found that deep breathing for just a few minutes per day can significantly lower systolic pressure in hypertensive patients. Why? Because it slows your heart rate, it widens blood vessels, it reduces cortisol, the stress hormone. Even the U.S. National Institutes of Health has listed breathing techniques as complementary treatments for hypertension. So yes, it's simple, but it works if you use it. If you want a daily routine to keep your blood pressure in check, try this. Morning routine. Sit in a quiet place. Inhale deeply, 5 to 6 seconds. Hold your breath, 1 to 2 seconds. Exhale slowly, 5 to 6 seconds. Repeat for 1 to 2 minutes. Emergency use. Feeling dizzy or tight in the chest? Stop. Sit down. Do 6 cycles of this breathing pattern. Check BP if you can. Advanced tip. As you practice, extend the breath to 8 seconds or more. This method is not just for you. Share it with your elderly parents, your coworker with high stress, your neighbor who always forgets their meds, your partner who skips checkups. Even kids should learn it as a grounding technique. Breathing is free. Breathing is power. When medicine isn't available, when stress is high, when every second counts, you have the most powerful tool built into your body, your breath. Learn this, use this, share this. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more practical, science-backed health tricks, and share this with someone you love. It might save their life.